उसमें like we have a matrix of order suppose 3 cross 3. This is a square matrix. So the first element can be written as A11, then A12, then A13. This is A21, this is A22, this is A23, and third row, first column, 3, 2, and 3, 3. So here you can say if there is an element A21, so A21 means this is second row. So you can say second row and first column. So A21 element, it belongs to the second row and the first column. So this is the element. Okay. So means if you are having in general element that is Aij. So Ij means ith row and jth column. ओके सो ऐसे भी क्वेश्चंस आपके ये बुक पे मिल जाएंगे करने के लिए. सो नाउ कम टू द एक्सरसाइज दैट इज 3.1. So in the first question, this is about the NCERT, right? So we are following NCERT. तो आपके पास ये बुक हो तो it will be better. So in the first question we have a matrix. एक मैट्रिक्स आपको गिवन है. दिस मैट्रिक्स इज A इज इक्वल्स टू 2, 5, then 19 and minus 7. The second row of the matrix is 35, minus 2, then 5 by 2, and then 12. And the third row is root 3, 1, minus 5, and 17. This matrix is given, and we have to find the first is the order of this matrix. So we know that order is nothing but you can say the number of rows into the number of columns. So in this matrix there are 1, 2 and 3 rows and 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. The order is 3 cross 4. Okay, so order is always in terms of number of rows and the number of columns. So the number of elements in this matrix, so number of elements is equals to 3 cross 4, that is 12. We can simply count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 11, 12. There are 12 number of elements. Okay, the third part of the question is we have to find the value of A13. So this is the third part of the first question. A13 we have to find. So 13 means the first row and the third column. So first row, third column is 1, 2 and 3. So value will be 19. Similarly, we can find the value of A21, A33, A24 and A23. Okay, so A21 means second row and the first column, 35. 33 means third row and the third column, its value is minus 5. 24 is the second row and the fourth column, value is 12. And 23 means second row and the third column, value is 5 upon 2. So this is about the question number 1. So the question number 2 is if a matrix has 24 elements. एक matrix है जिसमें total 24 elements हैं. Fine. Right. What are the possible orders it can have? What if it has 13 elements? So what are the possible orders? एक matrix है जिसमें total 24 elements है. We have to find what are the possible orders it can have. So see, what are the possibilities of having this 24 number of elements? The matrix can be of the order 24 and 1. This is the possible order, means 24 rows and there is only one column. So it is a kind of a column matrix. Yes, it is possible. The second is there are 12 rows and 2 columns. The next is we can have maybe 8 rows and 3 columns. So these are just how to get 24, right? And we can have 6 rows and 4 columns. Then next we can have 3 rows and 8 columns. We can have 2 rows and 12 columns. And we can have 1 row and 24 columns. और तो 24 कैसे नहीं आएगा ना? So this is So maybe these are the possible orders that matrix can have if there are 24 elements. Second part में इसमें पूछा गया है if there are 13 elements. So because 13 is a prime number, so for the 13 elements there will be only two possibilities, 1 into 13 or 13 into 1. Fine. Next is if a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? What if the number of elements are 5? So in question number 3, if there are 18 elements, so in case of 18 elements, we can have 1 cross 18, we can have 2 cross 9, we can have 3 cross 6, or maybe 6 cross 3, maybe 9 cross 2, maybe 18 cross 1. So this is for 18, and if the number of elements are 5, so the possible order is 5 cross 1 or 1 cross 5. 5 is also a prime number, so there will be no more factors. So this is about the question number 3. Come to the next question, question number 4. So in the fourth question, we need to construct a 2 cross 2 matrix. A is equals to Aij. So the matrix is represented by this Aij. Matrix is of the order 2 cross 2. Given the elements are given by, the first part is Aij is equals to I plus j whole square by 2. So now because this matrix is of the order 2 cross 2, so A can be written as A11, A12, A21 and A22. So आपको क्या करना है, इन चारों एलिमेंट्स की वैल्यूज को कंप्यूट करना है. कैसे कंप्यूट करना है? बाय यूजिंग दिस रूल. इन द फर्स्ट पार्ट इट इज गिवन दैट Aij इज इक्वल्स टू I plus j whole square divided by 2. So from this rule, if you calculate the value of A11, so for A11 this implies I is equals to 1 and j is also 1. So A11 will be is equals to 1 plus 1 whole square divided by 2. So this value is 2. Fine. The next element is A12. So A12 is 1 plus 2 whole square divided by 2. So this is 9 by 2. Similarly, A21 is 2 plus 1 whole square by 2. So this is again 9 by 2. And A22 is 2 plus 2 whole square divided by 2. That is 4 square. 4 square is 16 by 2 is 8. So this matrix will become, just simply put the values. A11 is 2. This is 9 by 2. This is also 9 by 2. And this value is 8. So this is the required matrix. Similarly, in the second part, like we have Aij is equals to I upon j, that we can solve. हो जाएगा अब तो, right? कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो तो you can comment me, you can ask me like in the comments. I will help you. I will try to answer your all the questions. Similarly, in the third part, we have Aij is equals to I plus 2j whole square divided by 2. It is very easy. Next, we have question number 5.